British accent versus Filipino accent. Part 1. Brand name store. British,
Coven Casa.
Filipino,
Coven Casa.
British,
Kitchen Fur.
Filipino,
Ocean Power.
British,
Australian Wagyu. Black Opal.
Filipino,
Australia Wagyu. Black Opal.
British,
Jacob.
Filipino,
Jackal.
British,
Germany. Germany.
Filipino,
Germany.
British,
Mobile.
Filipino,
Mobile.
British,
Cozy Mami.
Filipino,
Cozy Mami.
British,
Pet Central Academy.
Filipino,
Pet Central Academy.
British,
Hyatt Centric.
Filipino,
Hyatt Centric.
British,
Community Liaison Center.
Filipino.
Community Liaison Center.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. Mwah mwah.